Alright guys, we're leaving. It's 5:26 and we are departing. We're in Ithaca, but we have just left.
And
we're headed to LaGuardia.
Anything to say for the camera at 7:02 in the morning?
Finally, we were off. We had no idea what to expect.
The destruction was worse than any of us had imagined.
Naturally, all of us were nervous. We had heard horror stories, yet everywhere we went, we were greeted with overwhelming appreciation. We never felt unsafe.
It's ironic that disasters like this can actually bring out the best in people. The Haitian survivors were incredibly inspiring. They understood their troubles, and they knew that they could only face them together. There was no resentment, no hostility. Even those who received nothing were grateful. It was a harsh reminder of how incredibly lucky we are, and reinforced how important it is that we all do what we can to help.
Tous les matins, elle se met à disposition des autres juste pour les donner à manger.
Most people in the city are living in tent camps like this one, which has 5,000 residents. Although there is a tight community under this canopy of bed sheets and tarps, living like this forever is simply not possible.
The Haitian people have lost everything, and many are completely dependent on foreign aid for survival.
The country will completely destroy.
Donated and distributed food is essential for the survival of thousands. One day we tagged along on a food drop.
A dit les demandé de passer à l'école la crasé. Si l'école la rebâti toujours parce que appelé les pages en éducation ici là, l'école là est développée jeune là. Même si pas gain l'école, si nous va être côté qu'on là nous même. Si nous vont côté qu'on là nous va pour nous cacher pour nous parler, de pour gain éducation qu'a camper dans la société pour parler pour dire ça dia.
This trip was simultaneously the most uplifting and humbling experience of our lives. We quickly came to the realization that Haitians felt no resentment towards foreigners, only neglect.
Haiti needs to be rebuilt from the ground up. The need for large international aid organizations is obvious, yet the need for grassroots efforts is just as strong. Our focus was to help some of the smaller organizations that are committed to rebuilding Haiti in the long run.
Mostly, we film for school cooperatives, orphanages, clinics, and other community-based organizations. All these organizations are operating with little to no budget and would greatly appreciate any help, no matter how small.
You might forget about all this tomorrow morning, but if you do remember, don't be inspired by what we did. Go out and find your own inspiration.
Let me go.